I think recreation for everybody is pretty imperative just for one, physical health and well-being, and especially for people with disabilities, prevention of secondary health conditions. And then as well, it's pretty vital for emotional and social well-being and all the domains of well-being. So I think for everyone, recreation is pretty beneficial, but I think the more people experiencing disability get involved in recreation, it kind of paves the way for society to break down those attitudinal and structural barriers that they might be facing in other aspects of their life.
Rebecca has a quiet leadership quality about her. She's very respectful, but she's also a deep thinker. She works really well with groups. She's a good listener. So in all of the interactions I've seen with Rebecca with others, she's really well accepted. I think she's just a great person to have as part of anybody's team.
Well, I think a lot of times there is an intent to stigmatize people experiencing disability, however it's still going on. So even though there's no intent, we can still educate people that maybe their actions are creating barriers for people with disability. So I think that education piece is pretty vital.
In terms of Rebecca's volunteer and leadership experiences with the community, she's worked for a long period of time with the Stedford Center in their programs. And she continues to do that right now, even as a graduate student. So she's making time to maintain that commitment. She's also worked in the past with Special Olympics. As a former elite figure skater, she has worked with people of all abilities on the ice to teach them skating and share her passion with skating. She's also contributed to the summer inclusive programming through the University of Alberta as an adapted physical activity consultant. So that's just some of the many things that Rebecca has done in the community, and I know she will continue to make those contributions going forward.
I'd like to thank the organization for the scholarship. It really helped in my moving forward with my education. And then as well as my references, they've both been pretty vital in my passion and my moving forward in the field, and they're just great leaders for me to continue on. Yeah.